So I got this set. We have earlier made a video of this, and now we are going to make again a proper best video of something else. So let's take the pieces out. Now let's start. First of all, in the box there will be things to make. Option 1, option 2, option 3. This set can only build this option 1. So let's start with this, okay? First of all, I'm going to show you how to... We need 4 pieces of these, okay?
Now we need to build the road.
Okay. So now we have to put the random big pieces together. We put one like this and another on top because of these, and next we put one here.
It's time to go. Thomas is going to go.
It's here, and now let's first see if it works. So first of all, let's start with this. What's this? It's going up here. It's a failed video. Let's
Start.
This is another failed video. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my next video.